In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tables in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that many of us rely on for organizing our projects, ideas, and daily tasks. However, it can sometimes become a bit overwhelming when too many tables clutter your workspace. So, today, I'll guide you through a simple process to clear out those tables you no longer need. Let's get started. Here we are in Notion now. Notion has a user-friendly interface, but like any platform, you need to familiarize yourself with its nuances. If you have a database table set up, like the one I have here, showcasing a YouTube tutorial in Table View, the process to remove it is straightforward. To begin, move your cursor over to the left side of the table you wish to delete. As you hover, you'll notice that a checkbox appears. This small feature is key to managing items efficiently in Notion. Clicking on this checkbox will select the entire table area. Once you have it checked, a menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll find a delete option. Go ahead and select that. Don't worry if you weren't aware of this feature before. Notion is packed with these practical elements that can make your workflow smoother once you know where to find them. And just by clicking Delete, voila! The table will be removed from your workspace, freeing up space for what really matters. But what if, instead of just removing a table, you want to delete an entire page that's no longer necessary? Maybe you've wrapped up a project, and that specific page is taking up more mental space than it should. For this, go straight to the top of the page, on the right side. You'll see 3 dots lined up vertically. This is the menu icon. Clicking on it brings up another menu, similar to the one we saw before. In this menu, look for the Move to Trash option. This will send the entire page to your trash bin, effectively clearing it from your active workspace. This feature ensures your workspace remains tidy and focused on your current priorities without any unnecessary distractions. Remember, in Notion, organization is key, and simplicity is your friend. You can easily restore items from your trash bin if needed, offering peace of mind as you streamline your digital space. Whether you're fine-tuning a personal project or managing multiple work tasks, knowing how to efficiently delete tables and pages can greatly enhance your Notion user experience. And there we have it. Simple steps to effectively clean up your Notion workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!